The first principle in the organizing people group deals with people co-location. Try to co-locate teams for complex issues wherever possible. Co-location reduces time to get information to solve the problem. If design team is in a far place from manufacturing, it will be more difficult and time-consuming to solve design problems when encountered by process owners. If co-location is not possible, you need to connect process owners together in such a way that makes information flow quickly and with high response and availability of people. This principle implies moving into the matrix-style organization, where a process consultant is assigned for each cross-functional process. Breaking ownership of a process into departments, where each department owns its part of the process, causes sub-optimization of the entire process. You need to prevent this sub-optimization by assigning someone who has the responsibility to oversee and control the entire process. For example, a tissue card box design involves multiple functions, such as marketing, quality control, and production. If marketing sketches a design that no machine is capable to manufacture, then the process is broken. One process consultant needs to oversee the entire process with other owners to ensure that the end product meets feasible requirements set by all functions. Principle 30 focuses on people involvement. People working in a process usually know better than others about process problems and how to fix them. They are a valuable source of improvement ideas. Besides, involving those who work in the process in the redesign project will make you get their buy-in. They will adopt the change and implement it, especially if they own the ideas of improvement. And by that, you will reduce their resistance to the redesign endeavor. If your process involves producing a complex product or a special service, work cells is a good layout to use in such cases. A work cell is a small-scale production unit within a larger manufacturing facility. It is designed to optimize the production process by organizing tasks and equipment in a way that minimizes waste, improves efficiency, and enhances overall productivity. They are organized to handle a specific set of tasks or processes. These tasks are closely related, allowing for a more focused and efficient production process. There are various shapes of work cells, such as the U-shape, T-shape, and Z-shape cell. Each is used for a specific purpose. But at the end, work cells create a more responsive, agile, and customer-centric manufacturing environment. The last principle of the organizing people group is about using multi-skilled workers in your process. Such employees contribute to breaking bottlenecks and hence reducing waiting times. Using multi-skilled employees allows you to combine activities that otherwise must have been performed by multiple employees. The other benefit of using this principle is enhancing employees' morale, as employees will feel challenged and valued for their varied skills, and that in turn could make them more engaged and committed to their work.